Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own press-on nails at home. It's super easy, so keep watching. And if you're not already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys. It is free and we have a lot of fun around here, so join the fam. Make sure you're also following me on Instagram at Vanna Liddell. Now let's get straight into the video. So here are the supplies that you guys will need. I got everything off of Amazon and I will have everything linked down below. Please purchase through the link if you want to support your girl. So you're going to need some nails. I got the BT Art Box false nails. These are ballerina shape and I really like them. They come with 10 different sizes. You're also going to need some gel nail polish. I purchased the Beetles gel nail polish, and if you're a beginner, this is a really cool kit because you get 20 different colors. You also get a base coat and top coats. You're also going to need a LED UV light. And you're also going to need some Loctite, a nail stand. I am missing one of my nail stands, so ignore that. You're also going to need some nail buffers and a nail file. And these are my flaming hot decals. And they come with different colors. You're also going to need some, I guess I'll call these hoops. I think they're really for like jewelry kits, but it works the same. And then it came with these pliers, and then also you're going to want some tweezers. And then this is a little drill that we're going to use to make our hole in the nail, which it'll make sense later on. And then your favorite nail glue. So the first thing I'm doing is sizing my nails. I actually already know what size my nails are, but this is gonna be the first step that you're gonna wanna do. So I'm just showing you how to size your nail. You're obviously gonna wanna get a nail for each hand. So that's what I'm doing there. Now we're gonna take our handy dandy nail stand and our Loctite, and I'm just grabbing a small piece of the Loctite and placing it on the false nail, and then I'm just gonna press it down on the nail stand. Like so, like that. Okay, now we're gonna take our nail file, and at the tip of each nail, there's this little like ugly thing. And so we just wanna file that down. I don't like that. So I just take my time and file each one off. Now you're gonna take your nail buffer and you're basically just gonna buff all the nails. You're just buffing the shine off. It's just a set for me, so that's one reason why I don't have on gloves. Actually, I don't have any gloves right now, but since this is just a set for myself, I'm not wearing gloves and it's not that big of a deal for me. But if you were ever making a press-on set for somebody else, you definitely want to be sanitary, especially during these times. But this is what the nails look like, all buffed out. Now our next step is going to be to use the base coat. So now the foundation is on. It's time to cure it. And so now I'm gonna bring out my lamp. And we're just gonna cure that for 60 seconds. All right, so now time for the nail polish. So I chose this really pretty nail color. It's number 328. So this is what one coat looks like. Now we're gonna get ready to cure that bad boy with our lamp. This is what the nails look like after they've been cured. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with another coat of the gel polish. And now I'm gonna go ahead and drill my holes into the nails. I kind of wish I would have done this after I put the top coat on, but honestly, it doesn't really matter. This drill was pretty easy to use. You just want to make sure, obviously, that you don't stab yourself, because that wouldn't be fun. You see me like messing around with it, and I found that the best way sometimes is to just set it down. That way you don't accidentally stab yourself. So I'm just placing the hole where I want it and then just twisting the drill in. It's not a drill, I don't know what it's called, but here's my hole. Hopefully you can see that. And then I went ahead and made another one off camera. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place on my flame decals. Now some decals are water decals, but these weren't, so they're pretty easy to work with. I used my tweezers to place them. I just feel like that gave me the best precision. So just take your time when placing the decal on, and then you're basically just going to want to press it down, press out any air bubbles, and just smooth it out. Now it's time for our top coat, and this is a shiny top coat. And this kit also came with a matte top coat. I haven't used it yet because I don't really like matte nails, but it's there, so that's pretty cool. So once you've put all the top coat on all of the nails, you're gonna go ahead and cure it. And now I'm gonna take my little hoops and use my little pliers and my tweezers and just stick the hoops through the holes, which it took me a while, I'm not gonna lie. I cut a lot of this footage out because it just, girl, you didn't need to see all that. But this is what the little hoops look like, and there's different sizes, but I felt like this size was the perfect for my nail set. So I'm just taking my tweezers and basically just trying to place that hoop into the nail, and then I take my pliers and close it. And that's pretty much it, guys. This honestly took the longest because it was kind of tricky getting it in there, but this is it, guys. This is how you make your own press-on nails at home. It's super easy. I hope that you try it at home. Leave me some comments down below and tell me what you think. Make sure that you purchase everything down below on Amazon with my link. It does help me out a ton. Make sure that you're subscribed to this beautiful channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.